the zombie cocktail. The name alone should tell you everything you need to know about it. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to make the perfect version of this killer tiki cocktail recipe. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this tiki cocktail recipes video, I'm going to show you how to make the zombie cocktail. Now if you're new to the channel, you're looking for the best in bartending tips, bartending tricks, and bartending videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down here. And don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video whenever they come out. Now the zombie cocktail is one of those rum cocktail recipes known the world over to strike fear into the hearts of anybody who hears its name. And like the name suggests, it'll have you basically feeling like the Walking Dead. Now the original zombie was created by a gentleman by the name of Don Beach way back in the day. Don Beach is, for those of you who don't know, very well-known bartender, responsible really for tiki culture as we know it now. And he created the zombie back at his bar, the Don Beachcomber Beach Bar in Hollywood, somewhere in the 1930s. Now, the zombie recipe has been adapted a bunch of times by a bunch of different people. This version in particular, my version, is kind of an amalgam of Don Beach's original recipe, as well as an adaptation from the good people at Smuggler's Cove, which is also a super famous, super awesome tiki bar. So let's get into my bastardized version. I promise you it's still delicious, works great every time, guaranteed to floor people in every sense of the word. Now of course, if you're looking for a bunch of different types of tiki drink recipes, you can check out this video right here once you're done watching this one, just in case you want an assortment, you're looking for some great ideas for a tiki party, or just some great cocktails. Okay, now buckle up because this is a boozy one. First of all, grab your shaker with a little bit of crushed ice in it, and then go ahead and add the following: 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice, 1/4 ounce of grapefruit juice. I'm using ruby red grapefruits here. A bar spoon of grenadine, 1/4 of an ounce of cinnamon syrup, 1/2 ounce of falernum, 1.5 ounces of a blended aged rum. I'm using the Appleton 8 for this one. 1.5 ounces of a younger but column still aged rum. I'm going with the Havana Club here. And then 1 ounce of overproof rum. Follow that up with 6 drops of absinthe and 4 dashes of Angostura bitters. Go ahead and give that a nice shake. And then once you're done, go ahead and pour that into your glass. Take some more crushed ice and pack the ice into the glass all the way up to the top. And then you're simply gonna go ahead and take a fresh sprig of mint, give it a nice agitating over your fingers, place it in the glass for your garnish, and you're all set with your zombie. Now you can use a lime wedge, you can go with the mint, you can go with orange, whatever you like. Overall, you're still guaranteed to have an amazing drink that will, well, you heard all the booze that's in that drink. It's killer. And that, my friends, is the zombie. Perfect for when you're looking to serve something with a serious kick to somebody you love, somebody you hate, somebody you don't like, maybe all of the above. Who knows? Great cocktail nonetheless. Excellent rum cocktail recipe. Now, if you're looking for products and programs to help you upgrade your bar skills and take them to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we got over there, starting with our Mixology Mastery course. It's an online course where I've put together a comprehensive program teaching you everything from the basics to advanced techniques, everything you need to know to master the art of the cocktail. If you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. And for some more great bartending tips, tricks, and videos, don't forget to check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.